garden table is inspired by wanting to bring the outdoors into the house, to give the person using it a chance to feel like he's not confined in a closed space indoors, but out inside the natural environment, surrounded by nature and all things that are healthy and positive about being outdoors. I wanted to design a table that wasn't just about the scale of the indoor typical potted plant, but enabled you to perhaps feel like you're actually in a garden. Imagine working outdoors, but indoors in the comfort of your home and be able to do that all the time. How wonderful that would be. I was very inspired by really the starting point, which was the material. The material began the entire story, and the Kraftizen range of surfaces really inspiring because it evokes such a tactility of being outdoors, of the naturalistic feel of things. You're almost transported to a location that is far from the tight urban dense bustle that we're so used to. And little details, we wanted to make the surface look like it was floating almost. So there's a very, very thin edge that we created. We chamfered it so that the heaviness of the base material would almost disappear and it becomes light in your space. Altogether, we finally sort of topped it off with a touch of sophistication, adding these bronze metal cappings.
There is harmony in Colin's works. This collaboration between Cosentino and Colin Shah is a creative dialogue of materiality and design. And the garden table is the result of a shared vision of aesthetics, functionality, and practicality.
One thing that I would love people to be able to do is to sort of colonize it, to make it their own, to fill it with objects that make sense to them, to make it their garden.